Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Roblox unexpected error after Byfron update. So the first thing what you can do here is to run disk cleanup, and to do so you need to go to search and then just write disk cleanup here, and on this menu here make sure to check out these two boxes here and leave only thumbnails here and press OK. And press delete files, and in a lot of time it should fix the problem. But if the problem persists, then you can basically run Roblox compatibility settings. So to do so, on search just write Roblox and then right click on the Roblox player and then press open file location, and then on Roblox player on your file location here just press here properties, and then you need to go to compatibility and make sure to check this box, run this program in compatibility mode 4 Windows 7, and then press on disable full screen optimizations, and then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you can reinstall the game, and usually it fixes the problem. To do so, just in search write percentage app data percentage sign, press OK, and then go to app data here and then go to local and then look for Roblox, and of course first exit the game and then delete this folder here. And once you do that, then go to installed apps, go to Roblox here and delete the Roblox player here as well. And as you can see here, Roblox has been uninstalled, and to install it again, super easy. What you need to do here is you need to open a browser and just go to roblox.com. You'll be logged into your account probably, and then you just need to run whatever game you want and it will automatically install the game. So run the game, and as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds until it loads up, and it says you're all moments away from getting into the experience and you can download and install Roblox. So press on that and then select where you want to install the file here, and once it's installed, you just need to open up Roblox launcher here. And as you can see here, now Roblox successfully installed, and it should fix the problem. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.